Corey, say hi to my video.
I'm not gonna walk in Devon buses. Should we go back to your house and get shoes?
Okay. They played. Smash basketball. Oh wait, I started? Where's my goal? Why am I missing? What the heck? You taking my football? Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Kayla. If you don't know me, but now you do. In this vlog today, it's gonna be keeping it with Kayla or keeping it with Amarii. I'm confused between my own names. I don't know if I want to call myself Kayla or Amarii, but anyways, this is gonna be keeping it with Kayla vlog. I have a trip coming up soon, so I'm really just gonna be doing maintenance for in this vlog and getting myself prepared for the trip. Seen earlier in the vlog, I was at a birthday party, so I recorded that for a little bit, and yeah. You want to say something to the vlog? Say hi. Okay, that was her hi. All right, I'll see you guys later. I gotta go tend to this kid. Hey guys, just got home from school. It's 1:23 right now. I had to get picked up because I was crying, if you can't tell. Right now I'm about to go get my toes soaked off because the girl who's gonna do my nails, she does toes too, and she said she doesn't do foreign fillings. So I'm about to go get my toes removed, and then I'm probably gonna go to Target, and I do have work today. I'm just doing little errands right now, so you guys are gonna come with me. Today has been a day, y'all. Today has been a day. We're gonna make it better though. We're gonna make it better. Okay, yeah, I just finished getting my toes taken off. If you guys are excited to see that, 2 uploads. Hey. I've been slacking, y'all, and it's because I'm not motivated enough to record on my phone. Like, I literally say this every video. When I get a camera, y'all are not gonna hear me stop talking about that camera, I swear. But yeah, I just wanted to chat it up because I haven't recorded in a little while. But anyways, I'll see y'all when I get to Target. Okay, I just got to Target. I came in here and I see a couple of things that I like. I'm not gonna lie. I might spend a little more money than intended. I really came for makeup, not foundation, concealer, blush, and a couple other things. Let me go look at my list. Okay, I just checked my thing. I seen I need contour and Grip Me primer. The Grip Me primer. I'm in the e.l.f. section. I'm looking for it, and I need brushes. So yeah, it looks like they have everything here though, so I should be good. Oh, I'm gonna get the. Oh, that's $19. I'm not spending $19 on that. It's this set of like powder puff and stuff. Oh, and I need powder, that too. Why can't I find it? Oh, it's over here. We're gonna get this. I wish I had the pink one. Oh wait, they do. Is it the same thing? Does it matter, guys? I don't know. I'm gonna get the pink one. Now I need concealer. Ooh, should I try the Halo Liquid Glow Filter? I don't know if this is my shade. I don't need that. I need concealer. Simple concealer. This is why I don't go shopping. I pick up the most unneeded stuff. I'm gonna get the e.l.f. concealer, cause like, why not? I was told to get 2 different shades, so one my skin color and one lighter. I'll do light beige, and then actually I'm gonna swatch these. Okay, I ended up picking medium sand. This is more my color. And then I picked 2 shades lighter. It's light sand. Last one in light beige. I think I'm gonna stick with light beige and medium sand. Okay, I got my concealers. What else do I need? Looking running out of time because they're about to close. But tell me what I just found. Period. My girl London has this, and I was like, dang, that's so tea. So I had to get it too. But I just picked up HD powder and Fit Me powder, and this. I might not get it though. I'm not sure. I just found contour. That's what I was looking for like the longest. And it's $14. Oh well. Found contour. Let me see what else I need. Okay, I marked off everything I needed. So that means I'm good on what I have in my cart right now. I'm just looking for blush at the moment, which I cannot seem to find. I was also looking for this. I'm glad I just found that. So I'll put that in my cart as well. I wish I had a lighter pink one, but it's okay. And I low-key want to splurge a little more, but this freaking Morphe thing is gonna take me way over my budget. I need to splurge on myself. I haven't been in Target in so long, guys. Y'all, I cannot find blush anywhere. Oh, never mind. Found it. Found it. Is this ColourPop? This seems like so teenage of me. I'm gonna get it though. That's a cute color as well. Okay, I got everything off my list. More smaller packs of Morphe brushes like these. I could use this more than I need the whole pack. Kayla needs the whole thing. Kayla needs this and the pack. We'll see how much it comes up to. If it's too much, I'll put it back. But knowing me, I'm gonna overspend. I mean, just a little bit, just a little. You also need yeah, I know what I'm saying. And they're about to close, so I'm about to just say never mind. Yeah. All right. I think I'm done. I just spent a bag. My heart. Okay, y'all. Excuse the background noise if y'all hear people talking. Oh my God, mom's in town. But I'm gonna give y'all a little haul, even though I kind of showed y'all already. I got the Morphe set. How cute! To take this back because, yeah, I didn't really need this, so I get my money back for this. I got Power Grip primer in the pink one. 2 different concealer shades. One my shade, so I think medium sand is mine. Got it in Elf. And then I got this lighter one, it's light beige. 2 powders, so I got HD powder, and then I got the Fit Me powder. I got this lip gloss because I can't find mine, and I wanted to re-up because I really like this lip gloss. Then I got contour. How cute, how cute. Got this blush, this liquid blush. I want to see how this looks on me because this is a really cute color, so hopefully I like it. Lastly, I got this. So something really slight just to get me started because I don't really know what I'm doing. Yeah, I just wanted to do something for my trip and try makeup. I really want to learn how to do my own, so yeah, it's my little starter kit. Hopefully after I go to Vegas, which will also be in my other video, I'll be able to do a hygiene shopping video because I do need to re-up on a lot of my hygiene stuff, and I've seen a lot of things at Target that I really wanted. So yeah, I did mistake my nail and my toe appointment for Friday. That's April 3rd. It's actually tomorrow. You guys will see me get my nails and my toes done tomorrow, and then I'll get my lashes done, guys, tomorrow. Take a slight left. Okay, y'all, I just got to my homegirl's spot so I can get my nails and my toes done. I think I'm actually here before she is. Y'all gonna see me when I start because I need to see where she's at. But yeah. All night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last met. Say hello. Hey y'all. We really just stop to go to the gas station. Application's done though.
All in the sky. Who am I by? Usually I don't do this often, but this recruiting isn't an option. Due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, baby I wonder, put your sweats on for me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the plug, I make the coffee clean.
Okay, we're done. 4 hours later. Now it's time for toes.
Well, come through and chill. Just say you will.
Finally done. Back home. Today's been a long day. I'm absolutely tired. I'm gonna go get in the shower. But I seen I got a package and my mom ordered me some slippers. Yeah. Nails done, real stinking cute. Toes are the same. My nail tech, she ate down once again. And yeah, the next time you guys will see me, I'll probably be at my either hair appointment or lash appointment. So. Oh, y'all, my eyes are freaking burning. Okay, I already recorded me showing y'all the lashes, but I'm gonna redo the part because this man behind me was calling me sexy and stuff like that. I'm a kid, please. But lashes are done, real freaking cute. They're really full, but I'm not too worried about it because it'll give me time to brush them out and they'll still be full. So yeah, but my eyes burn like heck. I'm still adjusting, trying to blink, but lashes are cute, y'all. I don't know what y'all think. I think the next time I come, I'm gonna get a 14, a 10 to 14. I think I did a 12 to 16 this time. But yeah, I think they're really freaking cute. They're gonna look way better once I get my hair done. So we're just gonna wait on that. I'm so happy I finally got to get my lashes done because baby, I've been free balling. Ooh, what's your problem? Anyway, I've been free balling with no lashes for the longest, like. So yeah, nails and lashes done. What's next, y'all? Hey guys, you see me with this big old bonnet on. It is hair day. Are we excited? Because I'm excited. I'm on the way to my sister's house so they can do my hair. I'm with my Miss Mama right now. Say hi, Miss Tootie. But yeah, I'm with her right now. I just finished getting dressed. I'm about to go brush my teeth and brush out these lashes because they're all in my eye. And yeah, Miss Two, what are you doing? All right, let me go do that, and then I'll see you guys when I get to my sister's house because they're like 7 minutes away from me. Okay, this is how it's going. Don't mind this puff at the top. This is how the back's going. How cute. Do you want to be on camera, Lonnie?
I'm icing her.
We didn't even need the whole 3.
Spray mommy's ready too.
I'm checking my work.
So
I'm not. I'm recording for my video.
So you got crazy with that.
Nobody worried about you. Check the hair though. We're done.
Ice. Don't play.
It hurts.
Yep.
That's that's the last birthday one?
No, I got 2 more.
Hey guys, I'm packing right now because I wanted to change some outfits out, and then if y'all hear my sister in the back, I'm so sorry. But I wanted to change some outfits out and reorganize everything. Right now I'm just packing up my outfits. I really don't know what I'm gonna wear for each day, or which days I'm gonna wear what. It really just depends. Right now I'm packing up bathing suits. I put in most of my outfits already. So I should be good on that. I think the only thing I'm missing right now is socks.
From that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. 'Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty.
I ended up putting a lot of my jewelry, my makeup, my perfumes and stuff like that in this bag right here, so I could open up more space. I should have put this in first, but it's okay.
It ain't sugarcoated. What a lie. What a lie.
Okay, y'all. I packed for y'all. I went to Target, did all my maintenance, stuff like that. I really think this is the end of the video. I am going to go get my wax today before I go to my friend's house, but you guys won't be seeing that. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and come back for more. I will be recording my other video in PCB. I'll start recording again when I leave tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and come back for more, and I love you all. Kisses, kisses.